Talking on the phone with a girl can be an effective way to flirt, as it emphasizes your listening skills and humor while lacking the body language of an in-person conversation. Choose a good time and location to call her so you can focus without distractions, and clear your throat beforehand to ensure your voice is clear. Avoid eating during the call and don't wait days to reach out. Showing interest by calling promptly is important. Maintain a relaxed and friendly tone, speaking at a comfortable pace, and remember to smile as it can be heard in your voice. Keep the conversation light and humorous, steering clear of heavy topics and keeping it clean until you know her better. Discuss your initial meeting, show genuine interest in her life, and don't hesitate to suggest a date to meet in person. Be yourself, offer light compliments, and ensure she feels good about the conversation.